Every journey teaches us something new, and sometimes the best classrooms are not within four walls, but out in the world. On a bright morning, the students set out on a field trip, a journey filled with curiosity, laughter, and discovery. A place where every drop of milk is treated with care, purity, and dedication. From the arrival of fresh milk to the rhythmic hum of machines that pack it with precision, the students witnessed how the goodness of Nandini reaches every home. Guiding them through this fascinating process was Mr. Pradeep, the production unit assistant manager, whose insights turned every question into understanding and every moment into learning. And after a morning filled with knowledge, it was time for some delicious refreshment.
Get the music in your head so you can hear it again like an echo. And keep on dancing till you let go, till your body moves when your body. Every note's alive, I keep seeing.
A meal served with warmth, laughter, and friendship.
When we break through, baby, when we break through these illusions, when we break through, baby, when we break through these illusions.
But the journey didn't end there. The road led them to another wonder, the serene beauty of a nearby dam. Here, under the open blue sky, they watched the water flow and felt the calm of nature, learning how every drop, just like every experience, has its own story to tell.
I saw new colors in your eyes, a world so vibrant and alive, like fireflies in late July. You crashed into me ever bright, and you are my morning light. You wake my heart to life. You shine like summer skies. You light up my darkest night. We saw new colors on the sea.
From the hum of machines to the whispers of flowing water, this field trip wasn't just a visit. It was a reminder that learning is everywhere if only we open our eyes to see it.
Like fireflies in late July, you crashed into me ever bright, and you are my morning light. You wake my heart to life. You shine like summer skies. You light up my darkest night. We saw new colors on the sea. The tide drew us into a dream, as stars set fires across the deep.
Monti Angels International School, Learners today, leaders tomorrow.
You are my morning light. You wake